How to change direct deposit on CRA account. To change your direct deposit information for CRA payments, you can either update it online through your CRA My Account or credit union, or by mail or by phone. Here is how to do it. If you want to change your direct deposit online using your CRA account, sign in to your CRA account. Select the individual panel to access My Account. Select Profile. Scroll to Direct Deposit. Select Edit. Update your direct deposit information. If you want to change it through mail, complete this Canada Direct Deposit Enrollment Form and send it to the Receiver General for Canada at the address indicated at the bottom of the form. Processing time is up to 3 months, or you can call them by dialing 1-800-959-8281. This is how you can change direct deposit on CRA account.